Early collision on the left-hand side. Back on track, we're clear.
Sorry, Dave.
Adrian second, 68.50. Harry third, 68.54. Dave fourth, 61.501. Super close racing between the top three right now. Adrian 0.6 seconds from Bob and Harry 0.3 from Adrian. Harry moving to the number 2 spot. Adrian going down to third.
I'm waiting.
Two minutes left.
Side by Gary. Slowly, Gary slowly moving up to Bob. 0.5. Now 0.4.
One minute left.
1 minute to go.
Left.
45 seconds to go. Keep on going, drivers. Gary now just 0.1 seconds away from Bob. Looking to take the number 1 spot. Now 0.2.
30 seconds left.
30 seconds. Gary moves up to number 1. Bob going down to second. Adrian third. Dave fourth.
Sorry.